Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Please support me by using the link in the description. When you purchase any products I will get little commission. iPad mini 6. Release date, price, specs, and rumors. iPad mini 6 arrives isn't exactly easy, and it now feels like we're living in the process of elimination stage. Thankfully, it doesn't seem like we're going to wait another 4 years, as was the case with the iPad mini 5, which took seemingly forever. Thanks to some recent reliable rumors, we've just got a decent idea of not just when we'll see the next pint-sized Apple tablet, but what reasons it might give us to upgrade. The rumored changes, as we've seen them so far, ranging from a powerful new processor to a surprising new high-end display technology and/or redesign. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says that Apple plans to release the iPad mini 6 in the first half of 2021. The iPad mini 5 came out in March 2019, which would place about 2 years in between iterations. The iPad mini likely keep the $399 price we see in its predecessor. Apple has generally kept its tablets at the same price over the years, and the iPad mini starts with 64 GB of storage, which gives it a better value proposition against the 32 GB $329 iPad. The 256 GB iPad mini costs $149 more, at $549, and that price to storage upgrade pattern also looks to continue. The biggest bit of news from Ming-Chi Kuo's reports is that the iPad mini 6 won't be so miniature. The new iPad mini is expected to have an 8.5-inch screen, which will be an increase of 8% from the iPad mini 5's 7.9-inch screen. While an earlier note from Kuo suggested the tablet screen could be as big as 9 inches, rumors seem to have solidified around the 8.5-inch size. Kuo's also suggested that the next iPad mini is one of the devices that Apple's considering using a mini LED screen, which has all the display quality perks of OLED screens, without the decay issues. But that was earlier in the year when Kuo claimed this iPad mini 6 would be 7.9 inches and coming out in 2020, two things that feel as if they're not on the table anymore. The iPad mini 6 will feature an A13 processor, which makes sense as an upgrade from the A12 Bionic chips in the iPad mini 5. That post also notes the iPad mini 6 will continue the use of the Lightning port. This connector has been something of a contentious point among Apple rumors as of late. There's a lot of speculation Apple will kill the port off altogether in the iPhone 13, while the iPad Pro got the universal USB-C port. So there's a lot of folks out there thirstily speculating that the iPad mini 6 could gain a design that looks more like the new iPad Pro than the iPad, with slimmer bezels and no home button. There's no reason to see those thoughts as anything beyond wishing upon a star. This 8.5-inch iPad mini doesn't sound like a device that will undergo a radical transformation. Just look at how the 9.7-inch iPad became the 10.2-inch iPad, the chassis just got a little larger. It's not hard to see why people want the iPad Pro's design for the iPad mini. It even opens the tablet up to supporting the magnetically docking 2nd-gen iPad Pencil, which is much better than the 1st-gen Pencil. These early iPad mini 6 leaks suggest that Apple's not resting on last year's update and is looking to make the next iPad mini at least an evolution of the product. If in fact, we see a mini LED iPad mini 6, the tablet would feel like a revolution over the previous edition, which was pretty good to begin with. But as long as we get a bigger screen that doesn't make the iPad mini much bigger, it's still the mini model after all. Along with a performance boost, the iPad mini 6 will be a worthy successor. The fact still remains that iPad mini 6 will be becoming the first half in 2021. That is it guys. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One peace out.